Hello guys, and so today I'll be teaching you a very short and beautiful piece, alright, by Victoria Orenze. The title of the song is Spirit Chants. It's very nice. So I'm gonna play the song in the key of C sharp, then I give you the full piano tutorial. It's a very short and nice piece, alright. Let's go. Hey yeah yeah, 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 hey yeah Alright guys, that's the short piece I wanted to teach you. It's a very straightforward. So the song, like I said, I'm playing the key of C. Alright, so we re mi fa sol la ti do. Alright, so this is our 4. Right, that's 4. That's F major. Then right 5, which is G major. Alright, A minor, which is this the fifth, right? Then 3. Alright, 3 is E minor, right? Alright, so A 4, A 4, and 5 G major, and 5 G major, and alright, A minor, and A minor, and 3. Alright, 3, 9, 8, E minor. Right. So I was using this perfect octave. So it's C. So why doing that? I'm playing the broken chord. Why do that? I'm playing the broken chord with my left. That's 4. Okay, so it's do, si, la, la. With the right, si, la, si, 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 b, b. With my right, si, b, b. So when I'm doing that, I go to 5 with my left, si, b, b. Alright, now si, si, si. I go to la. Alright, that's A minor with my left, si, 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 si. Alright guys, that's all guys. I do want to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.